2010 Ford Transit Connect XLT with only 40,000 original miles. Super clean van inside and out. Brand new set of tires with aftermarket steel, not steel, rims, gunmetal gray rims, very clean. As you can see, this is a handicap conversion van. We will watch this be demonstrated here momentarily. Rear parking sensors, very nice safety feature here. As you can see, scratch dent free. This thing's practically perfect, especially for a 2010. Only 40,000 original miles, guys. Rust free, low maintained, great service records, mechanically perfect, headlights intact, look brand new. There's a set of tires, brand new. Let's take a quick gander at the interior before we demonstrate the handicap lift. Seat right there taken out, a few anchors in there for you. Cruise control, Bluetooth, auxiliary cord, cold AC, power windows, power locks, overhead storage compartment. Stored lots of stuff there, guys. Okay, now we're going to demonstrate the handicap lift. The first thing you want to do is turn this to on. That powers up the handicap ramp. And Mr. Lopez here is going to demonstrate it as I video record. Let's hyperextend the doors. Pushing that yellow button will hyperextend the doors. The first thing we do is we flip that switch to on. And Mr. Lopez here is going to demonstrate the handicap ramp in motion. Notice the LED lights turned on cue. Super fluid, smooth handicap ramp. As you can see, we're going to watch it slowly in motion. We're not going to rush this. It takes about 20 seconds or so to be fully engaged. He's holding the down button down all the way after he unfolded it. And then this goes down all the way. Takes a minute. The last few steps of the ramp. Once you go down up all the way, so what you can do is your partner is going to push this up as a safety switch. And once that's pushed up, it goes up. You could also go up and down from right here as a handicap person. I'll demonstrate. Pushing the up button, pushing the down button, up button. Go ahead and finish it off. And then the handicap person rolls in here, stows the wheelchair right here. And then you could also do these controls right here too. You could go down, go back up, in. And once it stops making noise and the lights turn off, that means you're fully stowed. And where's the bar? You have the bar? And you could also use the manual one if the battery's dead or something, and you can just crank it up and down, and then it'll unroll. So no, I got it. Oh, right there. Sorry, I put it in the wrong hole there. There we go. As you can see, he's manually doing it. That's just in case that doesn't work, or the remote doesn't work as well. Oh, okay. Very cool. And then you have to manually crank it up. Quite the workout there, eh, Mr. Lopez?
How the soul, Mr. Patek?
Very nicely done. And then it's almost all the way up. There you have it, guys. 2010 Ford handicap van. Super nice. Wow.